Hey everyone, it's Danny here, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to mount your condensing unit so you get the most efficiency possible out of the unit. Now in this case, I'm about to assemble a walk-in cooler here, and right now I'm about to mount the condensing unit. Right now I've got a 1 horse 404 condensing unit here, air-cooled, and I just want to go through the two things you must consider when it comes to mounting your condensing unit that is air-cooled. So the two things are, one is airflow, the other is accessibility. Now in this situation, I could mount my condensing unit like this. However, the electrical here is on this side, and I have no idea, but maybe in the future the staff at this restaurant might stack some cardboard boxes or anything, some stuff here, and it might block the airflow to this unit. So what I'm gonna do is actually rotate this way, like so. So now I have better accessibility to the electrical components here, to the compressor. There is proper airflow in front of my unit, and there's more than enough space behind my compressor. As you can see, there's not much room people can stack here, so I'm pretty safe with this. So once again, when it comes to mounting your air-cooled condensing unit, there's always make sure of two things. One, airflow. Second thing is accessibility. Once again, this is Dnoorian. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.